Ow! So that radiator quick fix did not work. Now we're trying quick fix number 2. We're mixing up this. Dug out all the way through the channels. We're gonna give this another shot. Number 3. So in case you're wondering what the game plan is for today, I will tell you. It's ship a load, take that load to the mill, then ship another load, and then take that load to the mill, ship another load, and then take that load to the mill. I don't know if you spot a pattern. Here comes my boss. I'm gonna act like I'm driving safely. Contract that we have to keep filled every month, and I am frequently assisting keeping that contract full, part of my job. So I run truck part-time. Out of all the roles I do in this job, I would say trucking can be very fun for the first couple days, and then after that it gets kind of monotonous. That's why I want to start vlogging, because you need something to do. You might be sitting in a truck bored out of your mind, and then you get to watch me bored out of my mind. It's like, you know, common interest, I guess. I don't know, it's starting to rain. Come on! Come on! Come on! Coming down. So, I don't know what's going on, but it seems like there's just a ton of trucks rolling in today. This has been the theme all day. Wait for someone else. Those cylinders are massive, and they pick up a lot of weight. But as big and as powerful as they are, they have a relatively small hydraulic hose, kind of the size that I would see on a piece of forestry equipment.